Well, to the Chelton Show, folks. It's gonna be another multi-day project, but we got an old farm pond down here. I've already broke the dam, and on the spillway side, it was washed out just to expose all of this debris, all these old trees that's fell in. And then I've worked on cutting the road in. And then this is a big rock shelf, and my little machine has trouble digging through it. I've got through quite a bit of it. But I've taken all this dirt and put right here, and that's the road going right down the pond. The pond had also washed out right there, so I'm gonna be fixing that little washout spot, trying to clean all this up all the way around through there. I'm on the rock shelf there too, but I'm gonna try to take dirt from here and dirt from over there and kind of dress this whole pond back up, push all my brush right here, let it rot away. We're in the middle of the woods, so it's gonna be hard to burn it, but try to get all this cleaned up. So yeah, hopefully we can get something done with it, and I'm just gonna tinker around with it for a few minutes today because it's right here close to the house, and then I'll catch you on the next one, I guess, next day. I think we're just gonna knock a little bit of this dirt out. Like I said, only got a few minutes here. We're gonna knock a little bit of this dirt out, maybe try to pick some of these trees out, start getting it cleaned up. We'll worry about this ramp a little bit later. It needs quite a bit more dirt, but Alright, so about an hour and a half of work in here. I've got messes everywhere. We'll get her cleaned up. But I started over there taking some of that dirt out of that bank and pushing it back. You can see, right, well, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but the dam in that is about on grade. So I broke the pond dam a little bit more, cleared this area out that you were seeing, jumped across and dug this out. Now that's flowing real good. I didn't need to clear or dump this out to or drain it down to get the trees out. As you can see, all those trees that was in here in the beginning, I got most of them out, other than all these little ones. I got the ones that was going to be a pain to get out. But this mud that I was cleaning out over there and piling up against the bank on this side right there, as I was piling that up, it got so soupy that I couldn't really scoop it out. So I figure if I bust the dam just a little bit more, a couple more inches, maybe all the way up through here, all this mud right here will be accessible, I guess, and I will do my best to get down in there and reach it as low as I can, or get out there as far as I can. I can't talk right now, it's hard. But yeah, so stay tuned for, I guess, I don't know if I'll make this a couple different parts or just kind of splice those together, but I'll probably make a few different parts. I don't know. It's only about an hour and a half working, and I'd already worked on the road at least, so we're getting her cleaned up. We're going to try to get us a little bit of a pond here. So it's probably about 4 foot low right now. So if I bring that up, it should go way back in there a pretty good piece, and I might get over here and clean some of this out. I ain't quite decided, but if I can get the dam cleared out, a good flat spot right here that you could drive a pickup truck down, turn around right here and go back out, or over there. I'd like to be able to get a vehicle down here, which would be nice, you know. If somebody wants to come over and go fishing, they ain't got to hike all the way down here. They can just drive right down to the dam, and then have some spots cleared out to do a little tent camping when my boy gets over, real close to the house. Good starting out point. But yeah, that's flowing good, so we're gonna let that flow for a day or so, and then once the weather breaks and I get another chance, then I'll be back out here at it. So thanks for watching the Junk Show, folks. God bless.